This 2023 Grand Design Momentum 349M is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Rockwall, Texas, 75087 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Rockwall. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 38 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 7 and 140 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, patio deck, raised patio, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Momentum 349M is 13,600 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.